Hey there! Get ready to elevate your audio experience with the wireless waterproof Bluetooth speaker, a portable powerhouse designed for those who crave intense bass and crystal clear sound. Thanks to advanced DSP technology and BASSBOOM innovation by SOWO, this speaker boosts bass by 32% and features dual power subwoofers that keep harmonic distortion under 0.5%, delivering an unmatched listening experience. Equipped with powerful stereo audio drivers and two wide passive radiators, the Surgeboom 3 ensures richer tones and loud volume output, all while Bluetooth 5.0 guarantees instant pairing. Add a splash of color to your party with its RGB LED lights, featuring a dual 256-level brightness display that you can customize or turn off as needed. Built from one-piece injection molding, this speaker is not only strong and solid but also boasts an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, making it perfect for any adventure, whether you're at the beach, camping, or just enjoying a shower concert. And if you're looking to double the fun, the TWS function lets you pair two Surgeboom 3 speakers for an incredible 70 W of powerful sound, perfect for home theaters or outdoor gatherings. So, whether you're using it with your smartphone, computer, or laptop, this speaker is your ultimate companion for any occasion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.